In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Zendrop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to confidently process both single and multiple orders inside your Zendrop account. Let's start right from the beginning. Go ahead and log into your Zendrop admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation area, and it's where you'll find all the different sections of your account. In that left panel, locate the section labeled Orders and click on it. This will open up your order list. Here, you'll see all of the orders that have come through your connected store, along with their current status and basic details. Now, find the specific order you want to fulfill. You can scan the list by order number, customer name, or date, depending on what's visible in your layout. When you've found the correct order, look over to the right-hand side of that row. You'll see a button labeled Fulfill. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you click Fulfill, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is important because it breaks down the costs associated with this order. You'll see the product cost, which is what you're paying Zendrop for the item itself. You'll see the shipping cost, which covers getting the product to your customer. You may also see an order fee depending on your plan and the type of order. In the same pop-up, there will be a toggle related to credit or balance if you're using a stored balance or credits within Zendrop. Make sure you quickly review these details so there are no surprises. Double check that everything looks correct: the product, the destination country, and the total amount you're about to be charged. Once you're comfortable with the summary and the costs, click the Fulfill Order button inside that pop-up. This confirms the fulfillment, and Zendrop will begin processing and shipping that order to your customer. If you have several unfulfilled orders and you want to handle them all at once, you don't have to repeat this process individually. Instead, go back to the top right corner of your orders page. There, you'll see a Fulfill All button. Clicking this will allow you to fulfill all eligible pending orders in bulk, saving you time and reducing the chance of missing any orders. That's all you need to do to fulfill orders on Zendrop, whether it's just one order or many at once.